Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Aisyah Safiyyah from 5 Ruqayyah. Today I'm going to show you how I made my favorite food. It's sardine rolls. You need salt, a can of sardines, white pepper, slices of bread, 1 onion, 1 red chili, 2 eggs, 1 cup of corn flour. You need to prepare a cutting board, a knife, a fork and spoon, a mixing bowl, a rolling pin and a rolling board. First, you need to dice up the onion. You need to make sure the cut up onions are small and similar sizes. Then, you need to put the onion into the bowl and set aside. Take the chili and cut into small dices. Don't forget to wash the chili before cutting it. Be careful while using a knife. Mind your fingers, everyone. I almost forgot. Let's remove the seeds so it will not be too spicy. Same as the onion, put the diced chili back into the bowl. Now, let's prepare the sardines. After opening up the sardine can, pour it into a container. Use a fork to get all of its content out. We don't want to be wasteful. Use a fork and spoon and transfer only the sardines into a mixing bowl. Separate the sardine from the tomato sauce. Then, we need to remove the bones. We don't want our sardine rolls to have a crunchy surprise on the inside. Now, let's mash the sardines into smaller bits. Put our chopped up ingredients with our sardines. Ta-da! Add a little bit of salt into our bowl. Then, let's get mixing, everyone. Let's prepare our bread. Take a slice of bread. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add some salt and a sprinkle of white pepper before giving it a good mix. Spread some of the egg mixture on the edge of the bread. Make sure to wash your hands first. Put the sardine filling on the middle of the bread. Don't overfill it or the bread cannot be rolled up. Roll up the bread nice and tight. Put some egg on the ends and use a fork to pinch the ends close. Before you start frying, put a bit of corn flour into the egg mixture and stir it well. Let's dip our rolled up bread into our egg bowl and put it into a skillet. Be careful, the oil is really hot. Don't burn your fingers. Fry the sardine rolls until golden brown. And that's how you make my favorite food, sardine rolls. Before you eat, recite doa before eating. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azabannar. Amin.